Back to my channel. So it's been a long time since I haven't been on YouTube. As you can see, I'm not at home, and yeah, by the way, I got my hair color back. Basically they dyed it darker, like I went to the hairdresser, but it's still weird because the purple is coming out, but whatever. As you can see, I'm not in Luxembourg. Well, you never saw actually my apartment in Luxembourg at my parents', but I'm in Strasbourg. So this is why I also thought, okay, let's do a vlog. So I wanted to start the vlog in the car, but then I was enjoying time with my friends that I forgot that I wanted to vlog. So basically, and I have, oh my god, I have my ring light here. This is so fun. So basically, why am I here? Let me just put you somewhere because like I don't want to speak like this. Basically, let me explain you what I'm doing here. So again, depending on in which country you are, I don't know if it's still quarantine, I don't know if you are allowed to go out, but in my case in Luxembourg it's not quarantine anymore. Like, people are allowed to go out and live a normal life again, but there are still rules like wearing masks where you can't keep your distance, wearing masks in transport. Schools are still no, not all schools are closed, but university is closed, but in France. But in Luxembourg, schools, like, people go back to school slowly, but yeah, it's not like before, obviously, but yeah, in France, it's the same. They started opening in the country again, no more quarantine, but still people have to take care and keep their distances. Schools in France, I have no idea. Basically, they shut down university, so I have online classes. And so I have online exams. So why am I here? Basically, don't go to other countries if you don't have to. I came here because I wanted to grab my things, because I actually vlogged that, but I've never posted. So maybe if I find the footage of the day they shut everything down, I will put it. Basically, I left the day after they announced that they would quarantine France, because I was like, I need to get home. I don't want to be in quarantine in a 18 square meter apartment, and you are not allowed to go out here as well. Wait, I actually ordered some food. I'm just gonna check on where it is. So the person who delivers food is on his way to go get the food, so I have time to talk. But basically, don't go somewhere if you don't have to go. Please don't do that, because if I'm here, as I said, it's because I went home back in Luxembourg with almost nothing. So I was like, I need to go grab my stuff and come back to Luxembourg with my stuff. So I only grabbed the essentials and went straight back to home because I didn't know what to do. And I couldn't take so much with me because I went home with the train and I had the small luggage. So I was like, okay, just take what you can. Like, I went back home in March and it's like almost June. So I need clothes, I need my summer clothes, I need my spring clothes. I had to prepare 4 papers to justify that I have to, like, that I came here. My uni certificate, my, like, a proof that I live here, that I have an apartment here, and there are 2 authorization from France. Like, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do that. So the road was easy. I was surprised there were no one was there, like, to check on us. I mean, like, the police was not there, because in France, like, you have to stop in the road to go further if you want. Like, I don't know how much you can drive before you have to pay, but basically you have to stop and pay and then drive. I will put the word in English here, I don't know how it's called, but basically we were like, okay, maybe police will stand there because we have like to stop to pay and then to go further. Yeah, so I'm here and I will be leaving on Monday, so I was like, let's vlog my little life in Strasbourg, since I love to vlog here. And basically I'm studying because I have to study. I have an exam on Tuesday and on Thursday. So let me show you. Here's my current situation when you have no desk, because your desk is occupied, and because I have my bed here. I have stuff over there as well. So yeah. So as you can see, it's a mess because they shut down the study room, so I can't go to study downstairs as always. My hair is really lighter, like, oh my god. But whatever. I'm gonna check on my food and come back. Food. So this is my food. I'm gonna eat that now, and I'm gonna talk to you guys later when I do something interesting, because right now I'm not doing something interesting at all. Studying and eating. Yeah. And by the way, it's great weather in Strasbourg right now. Has been raining, but now the sun is out, so. Hey y'all, so it's the day after yesterday. I didn't film because after eating, I just chilled and then fell asleep. So I woke up actually 3 hours ago or something like that. Wait, yeah, I woke up 2 hours ago, took my breakfast, and now I'm studying again. It's really sunny outside. It's really, really nice. Today I might go for a walk. I will see, and I have to do some laundry as well. And yeah, so I don't know what I should film for you, because I was like, I hate filming in Luxembourg, as you know, because people are around me. And today it's not the case, but I have to study. So, and for those of you asking me why do I study in a bed and not on a desk, they closed the study rooms in my residence, so I have to work here. And as you saw, my room, like the way it's arranged, the way I arranged it, so my desk is occupied by stuff like paper stuff. So I study on my bed. Like I have here my another sort of the clothes that you see there, but I have, as I said, to do my luggage anyway, so I don't see the point of putting my clothes in my wardrobe and then getting them out back. So I'm just letting them there because I'm going tomorrow anyways. So as you can see here, I have a desk as well, but I have stuff there too. So yeah, I don't know what to show you guys because nothing interesting. I guess I get to you guys back when I do something interesting, because right now I'm not. We are back. So right now I'm gonna get some groceries because I need makeup remover, I need tissues, I need just a few things since I'm leaving tomorrow. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna film in the shop because, you know, wearing a mask, not touching stuff, it's complicated. So I'm not gonna do that. However, little OOTD. So I'm done with grocery shopping. Maybe crazy. You would call me maybe crazy because I went grocery shopping, although I'm leaving tomorrow. But I needed like juice and cheese and little stuff, and there was someone behind me. I was like, what the fuck? Okay, no one is behind me, but I needed like more stuff because, no offense, but I love iced tea. I think you saw that in my mukbang. If you haven't watched that yet, I'm gonna link it down below. Like, I love iced tea, I love orange juice. I love, like, sometimes I have cravings when I study, so I went buying that, and yeah, I know I will consume that in 2 days, so that's it. And yeah, so just letting my English is so worse. Just going back home. Oh, quick, a funny story. I actually accidentally went the wrong way, because I don't know, I was in my thoughts, and then I was like, oh, wrong way. So yep. This is so heavy. Yep. I always spend my money too much. Like, your girl is going tomorrow and she buys stuff. Yep. So I'm just gonna catch you guys when I'm home, because I'm going to disinfect everything. Yeah, when I will be home. So I'm gonna film that. Hey yo, it's been a while. So nothing interesting happened. I took my break, lunch break, and now I'm back at work studying. Yeah, don't know what to film. Maybe need to do some, how do you call that? Yeah, laundry. I will do that before I leave, because tonight I'm meeting with a friend, like basically the people I came with, like the girl I came with. My hair got lighter, I feel like the black, like the brownish hair dye got out, and yeah, it's weird, but my natural hair is like, it looks like my natural hair color, so it's okay. Yeah, don't know what to say. I have to push myself and get this done. So to all the people out there who still have exam because it got delayed because of the coronavirus, because I would be like, at this time of the month I should be on vacation actually. So if you're still struggling with exams because of corona, hang in there. We are all in this together, and yeah, never give up. I have no motivation right now, but I have to get through this yeah. See ya. Good afternoon, morning, yeah, good morning, I would say. It's 12 o'clock. I have been working, it's the next day, by the way. I have been working since this morning, and I came actually further than I thought. So I didn't vlog yesterday night because it was dark outside and I went home pretty late, and I wanted to chill with my friends, so yeah. So today we are going to clean my whole apartment and pack. I will film that. I don't know if this vlog was really interesting, but I was like, let's do this. I forgot to mention, or I think I'm going to insert that in the clip later, but we were actually not, I know I explained that. So my studio is a mess. I don't want to show you my studio right now because there are so much clothes there and underwear, and whatever stuff you don't care about. My bed is a mess. I have my papers everywhere. And yeah. Uni is hard. It's hard, but we are going to get through this. We are going to get through this. My hair is a mess as well. Oh, really a mess, but I don't care. I will put my, I don't know if I won't put my contacts on today because I'm pretty tired and I think you see that. So yeah. So I will eat now and I'll catch up with you guys later. Hey yo, so I changed cause I was in my pajamas like half naked. I was like, let's change for the video, like cause I want to film. I want to show you guys how I clean my room and I need to be dressed for that. So I don't know where I'm going to put you guys since I have a ring light. Okay, this is gonna be a mess. Okay, wait. So, welcome. Oh no, light. Whatever, I have glasses on. Welcome to my floor. So this is my kitchen area. Like, I need to clean this. Well, kind of. I have stuff on my bed that I need to clean. So I put you guys down so you can see what I'm going to do. Hey y'all, so I didn't go back to you guys, obviously. As you can see, I'm back in Luxembourg. I filmed a little bit in the car, but I was really tired, and as you can see on my face, I'm really still am tired. So I have to push so hard through right now to get this done and then to go to sleep, because I'm like I could go to sleep now. Like, I'm so dead. So hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it hasn't been much. I will see when I will edit the video if it's enough content or not. So I'm gonna get back to work. Nothing interesting. I'm in my our living room. I'm so tired. So I have to push through. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!